In today's volatile market, protecting your retirement savings has never been more critical. With inflation, economic uncertainty, and stock market fluctuations, many Americans are seeking ways to safeguard their wealth for the future. If you're worried about your hard-earned money losing value, gold could be the answer you're looking for. But how exactly does gold protect your retirement from market volatility, and how can you take advantage of it? Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below to grab your free Gold IRA guide. It's a must-read for anyone who wants to ensure their retirement stays secure, regardless of what the market does. Now, let's talk about why gold is one of the most trusted assets for preserving wealth, especially during times of market uncertainty. The primary reason is that gold holds its value over time. While stocks and bonds fluctuate with market sentiment, gold has proven to be a safe haven asset that tends to rise when other investments fall. Think about it. When stocks are crashing, gold is often seeing an uptick. That's because investors flock to gold when they're worried about economic instability. Unlike traditional assets like stocks or mutual funds, gold isn't tied to any company or government policy. It's a physical commodity with intrinsic value, meaning it's not subject to the same forces that impact other financial instruments. So, when the stock market is volatile, gold can act as a buffer, helping you preserve your retirement savings. If you have a 401k or IRA, converting part of your existing retirement accounts into a gold IRA allows you to take advantage of this stability. Gold IRAs are a secure way to store physical gold without worrying about the fluctuations that come with paper assets. You can hold gold bars, coins, or bullion directly in your IRA, providing an added layer of security that traditional investment accounts simply don't offer. Many people are unaware of the benefits of a gold IRA, but they are becoming increasingly popular. Thousands of Americans are already opening gold IRAs to safeguard their wealth from market volatility. If you're interested in learning why, I recommend clicking the link below for your free guide. It's packed with information on how you can start protecting your retirement now. Now, you might be wondering, why not just keep everything in stocks, bonds, or real estate? While these can be valuable assets, they also come with significant risks, especially when the market is unpredictable. Stocks can plummet overnight, and bonds aren't the safe option they once were, with interest rates rising and economic conditions shifting. On the other hand, real estate, while traditionally stable, is still subject to market swings and economic downturns. Gold, however, has been used as a store of value for centuries. Its appeal during uncertain times is unmatched. When you allocate part of your portfolio into gold, you're diversifying in a way that provides a safety net. This diversification is crucial, especially as a retiree, because you want to ensure that your savings are protected from market swings that could leave you financially vulnerable. Let's talk about something practical. If you already have a significant amount in your IRA or 401k, say over $100,000 or even $5 million, a gold IRA could be the perfect solution for you. It's the ideal way to protect your wealth, even if you've been watching your portfolio take a hit in recent months. To get started, it's as simple as contacting a trusted gold IRA company, and they'll walk you through the process of transferring part of your retirement account into gold. It's a relatively straightforward process that doesn't involve a lot of paperwork or hassle. The key is acting now, before market volatility gets worse. Gold's proven track record of maintaining value during turbulent times makes it a great choice for protecting your retirement savings. So, if you're looking for a way to preserve your wealth and reduce your exposure to risk, a gold IRA is the way to go. Remember, if you're serious about securing your retirement, click the first link in the description to grab your free guide on how to protect your wealth with a gold IRA. This guide is perfect for American retirees who have $100,000 or more in their IRA or 401k, or even $5 million in savings. Don't wait. The sooner you take action, the better off you'll be. So, to wrap up, gold offers a stable, long-term solution to the volatility of the stock market. It's a smart move for anyone looking to protect their retirement savings and ensure they don't lose value in the coming years. And with a gold IRA, you can enjoy the benefits of gold stability while keeping your retirement account intact. For more details, don't forget to grab your free guide in the description below. It's a quick read, and it will set you on the path to securing your retirement.